at a creek. I'm about to do some creek bass fishing. I'm gonna start off with this 1/8 ounce jig head. Set it up with this baby rattlesnake watermelon red flake from Grande Bass. See how it goes, guys. This is pretty much how I set it up, guys. Right there. I'm running it with I want to say it's 6-pound test line or 8. I don't really remember. I can already spot some sunfish and a few small bass from up here. We're gonna be wading through the whole creek. Oh my goodness, big old fish. Let me go ahead and brought a life jacket. These creeks have some big drop-offs. I'm out here with my little nephew. Gotta make sure he stays safe. Brought a machete to stay safe. You never know what you're gonna encounter out here. He saw us. I got him. Baby bass. There it is, guys. Oh. It's deep. That's probably like 6-7 feet deep right there. I see a bass. My first victim. Got him. Oh God. I'm setting the hook wrong. Man. Oh. That guy knows who we are, bro. Oh, I got a good one. A little good bass right here, guys. Hopefully it's the first one I land. I looked away as soon as I cast just because there was a big old bass that cruised right by us. First one I land, guys. Third one I hook, but first one I land. See you later, buddy. Do you? Oh, you do, you do.
Oh, I do.
Little sunfish. Good. Good job, man. Let's stop right here. Ooh, I got one. There's one following it, bro. Cast right beside it. Just drop it right there beside it. Hurry up. Oh well. I was trying to get you hooked up too, man. Fish number 2, guys. Little creek bass. See you later, buddy. Go back where you came from. Oh yeah, that's a fish for sure. 100%. I knew it. Oh yeah. That was a good cast. I threw it right underneath that brush right there. Good structure. Fish number 3 right there, guys. About to release him. That counts.
Yep.
Oh, I got one. Oh, sunfish. That's a big sunfish. Wow, look at the colors on it. Check it out, guys. See you later, buddy. You should probably hook that one on and try to catch a bass. Try to stay calm and quiet. Come on, let's catch a fish. Oh, I just missed one. Oh my God, I had a big one interested, but he just saw me. He just saw me again. Dang it, bro. I was bringing it fast. Look at this big one right here. Look at the big one that's about to pass us. Look, he's over here. Golly, I was bringing it fast and he was coming right behind it. Look at him, you see him? Over there. I got one. I saw him hit it. Oh my God, it was a good one too. Oh, I do have him. Throw right beside him. There's 3 bass right beside him. Throw right beside him now. Now. Baby, throw it, bro. Throw it. Baby, come on, bro. They already saw me. They left. What is this, my 4th bass?
Yeah.
I want to say this is my 4th bass right here, guys. I was trying to get my little nephew to catch right beside me so he could get a hold of the other 2 bass that were following him. But no luck. See you later, buddy. Another little creek bass, guys. All right, I'm gonna release this guy. I got a good one. Oh no, it's another small one. Oh, pretty colors. Got them right above the mouth. I don't know if that's 7th or 8th, guys. Okay.